Okay, let's get started with this origami wallet book with accordion pages. So this is just an A4 size. Fold it in half. Make sure the corners meet. Both corners meet. Once you get one corner aligned, and it's easy, you just press and use your bone folder to make that crease neat. Okay, alright, so you fold it in half again. In some tutorials, they fold this a little bit, but because I want a bigger book, I don't do that fold on that end. So fold it in half again. And use that bone folder to make that crease neat and free of wrinkles. Okay, open. Fold the corners in, but not too much that it touches that fold. Leave a small gap. Can you see that gap? There, that small space. Okay, do it on all four corners. Leave a small space so it doesn't wrinkle when you fold it. When you do the final fold, there you go. Yep. Okay, so there you go. What I like to do, okay, so that's the inside. So some people start off with making the cover first, and then you can just custom make the pages that will fit in the cover that you make. This is an A4 sheet. So you can fold one side. Okay, make sure the edges are aligned. All the way out into the edge. Once you have it, hold tight and push tight. And you use your bone folder so you get a neat edge. And then you can put your pages that you have previously folded. I'll show you how to do this too. So just put it there to get the size. So make this origami wallet slightly bigger than your inner pages so it's not so cramped. So fold that one edge just to get the size. There you go, make sure it's aligned. If you want it even, you can also do it that way. So if you want two triangles that are the same size, you can do it too. So once that one side is already creased, the other side should just follow. Go press it with your fingers. If you don't have a bone folder, you can use the back of your nail to make that crease really neat. Then you insert and fold. There you go. Now you have an origami wallet, or you can make it into a book cover like I did. So there's two in here. So these are two origami wallets joined by just a paper spine. Okay, so once you have that, I'd like to do it this way. And then you can just custom make the size of the paper that you're going to put inside. So get an A4 sheet and then measure the height slightly smaller. Okay, so I'm going to use this because it's for this set. Okay, so this will be the one of the inner pages, which I will add to this one. So just measure and cut slightly smaller. Okay, so after folding, and now it's trimmed. It's almost the same size. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so fold it in half. So use your finger to curl where it's gonna be folded. Otherwise, it will wrinkle. Okay. Alright, there we go. Corners aligned, then just push down. Okay, towards the fold. And use your bone folder. So that's in half. Then do another half. One side. Warm up that corner. So for gluing the pages, I use a glue stick, not white glue, because the paper is quite thin. And if you use a regular, like Elmer's white glue, folder comes in so outward, and will make, because if you do it the other way, a lot neater. Sometimes the glue gets in between. So start in the center, going out there. Less wrinkles. Okay, so let's do that for the other side. Warm that up. Where the fold will, make sure all the areas have glue so it doesn't warp or curl. Of course it's not. Okay, folded side up. And folded side up. To make it perfect. Okay, the open side. So if you don't have a bone folder, is facing down. Look. You can also try your nails, because sometimes the nails leave a mark. Okay, so this is the page that I marked. The bone folder. This is the page that I marked. So these two, there you go, get glued. And then we have that. Oh, like these. And now we'll put it together. We'll stick them together so we can still use all of the inside pages when we unfold it. Okay, so all the pages have been glued together. So I made two blocks, but they will be in one book. So all these pages I have glued side by side so it can be opened. Alright, so this one goes in here. I have rounded the corners so it's easier to insert, just like what I did for the spine cover. I'm gonna do it here for the other side, for the back cover. So now we will approximate the size of the spine by inserting this. There you go. So that's the front. Okay, so I've inserted one block, then we will approximate the size of the spine like this one. Okay, we'll put the pages together. Make sure the open side is all facing down. Okay, and the back cover. So once you have this the back covered and then the spine, so it's just the same size as the front and back cover. So put all your book blocks in there, all the pages, including your back cover, which is your origami wallet. So just score a little bit using your bone folder so it's easier to fold. Use this side too. It's just flattening that crease a little bit so you get a more precise crease, and then just pinch gently, and so you get that line. Okay, hold tight. Take the back cover and score again. And pinch. There you go. So this one will be a bit easier to fold. And go just pinch so you get a prominent line. Okay, so this one will be going in here, there, but it's, as you can see, it's too long, so we need to cut it. So we need to mark that. Okay, so what I do is I just cut a little bit inside that line. Alright, just a little bit because that one has to fit in there. Here you go. And to make it easier to insert, I round the corners. Otherwise, that pointed corner gets caught when you insert it. And there we go. So this one is 120 GSM cardstock. So the stiffer the paper, then it's easier to insert. it's more stable. And here we are, our origami wallet book. So these are the origami wallets made into front and back cover. And these are just accordion pages. Oh, we have to insert this side. So again, I'm going to round that corner and insert. This is the back part of the book. There we are. And it's done. And you can open the pages and add your secret notes, drawings. Here we are. Origami wallet book covers. Thank you for watching.